Hello everyone, it's Jaden back and I am making another video for us. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a dice rolling program. It's not that hard of a program, it's just to introduce you guys to a few more concepts. So yeah, the first thing you want to do is open up PyCharm again, which is what we used last month, I think. It was probably a month ago around. And you'll have, when you open it up, you'll have the project that we made last month, sorry. And what you want to do is right click and then hover over new and then go down to Python file. And then you can name it whatever you want. I'll name it dice roller and then press enter. Okay. So once you have dice roller, it'll pop up on your screen over here. So the first thing, so basically we're just gonna make a dice rolling game. What it's gonna do is when you enter like Y or yes, or like when you enter something, then it'll basically roll a dice 1 through 6. You know, like just like a normal dice. Doesn't sound too hard. So yeah. So the first thing we're gonna do is import a class. This is new. You guys I didn't cover this last month, so that is why I wanted to cover it this month. Basically, when you do import random, it'll import a pre-made library that Python has, like that Python like stores, called random. And random basically helps you utilize random numbers in Python. So we can see this when we type print and then random dot rand int 0 and 6. Basically what this will do, random is the name of the class over here. We bring over random directly, and then dot, what the dot does, it basically references a specific function from the random class. So basically, Randint is the specific function. What it does is it goes to the random class and then it pulls out the function Randint, which will give you a random integer. Remember, integers are just normal numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2. You know, normal numbers, and it'll give you a random integer in between 0 and 6. 0 is included, and 6 is also included. So what this does is gives random number between 0 to 6. So when I right click the big screen and I click run dice roller, it should give me 4. But if I do it again, then it'll give me 3, 5, 5. Whoops, that was an accident. Whoopsie. 1, 5, 5, 6, sorry. And yeah, that's what it does. So I'm gonna put all of that in comments. Oh yeah, to comment something, remember from last month, you put a hashtag right in front of it and it makes the whole line of code just like a comment that you can read it, but it doesn't do anything. So now that we've imported the random, you only have to do that once at the very top of the code. Yeah, make sure you import everything to the very top, but you only have to do it once. To make the dice roller code, what we'll do is we'll print rolling the dice, and then that means it's rolling the dice, and then we'll print the values are, and then print random.randint. A dice starts from 1 and it ends at 6. So 1 through 6. So, the value is, so right now, if I run this code, it'll roll the dice and it'll give me the value of 6 and 3 and 4. However, it's kind of annoying for me to have to right click and click run dice roller every single time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a loop. So every time that I type Y into the little area down here, then it'll give me a value. So basically, what we have to do is first make an integer, or not an integer, sorry, a variable. Let's just name it again equals, and then let's just call it yes for now, because we need to roll the first time. So what we want to do is say while. Basically what the while does is when the statement right next to it is true, then it'll do the code inside of it. So when again equals yes, and then colon, and then make sure that you tab all of that one tab space in from where the while is. So it should be one tab space in. While again equals yes, print this, and then print this. And then and then you want to do again equals raw input roll again. Why doesn't that work? Oh, whoops, sorry. Just input. So again equals input roll again, and then and then you can also include yes / no. So basically, when you run this once, it'll ask this, or it'll roll the dice, and it'll ask roll again, yes or no. When you type yes and you click enter, it'll roll again. Yes, 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 yes. It rolled. I rolled a few times. I think I rolled like 7 times. But then if you keep typing yes, it'll keep rolling. But when you type no, it'll end the code. So yeah, that was an introduction to while, I think, while loops, and also how to import classes. If that was confusing, then let me know. You can ask me on Discord, or you can like DM me like personally, and I'll try and help you with that. So yeah, thanks for watching.